When parking, if we still use the conventional parking method, where the rearview mirror is aligned with buckle line and we drive forward and let the car swing outward, we will notice, because the road surface is too narrow, the front of our car is not swinging outward very much. Here, it is difficult for us to park in the parking space. Here we can use right angle parking method. First of all, we will drive the car straight forward along the parking line and then look at the right side mirror. When you see the entire front of the vehicle next to the parking space in the rearview mirror, stop the car and slowly turn, steering all the way to the right and reverse. When reversing, observe the right side mirror and let the right rear of the car go around the front of the car next to it, as long as it doesn't scratch the car next to it. Look, in this case, the front of the car will not swing outward very much and it won't scratch. After confirming the safety, let's observe the left rear view mirror. Okay, so in this case, let's stop the car, then turn to the left side, and the car goes forward a little. When the front of the car is close to the front wall, stop, and then turn to the right side and reverse the car. When reversing, observe the rear view mirrors on the left and right sides. When we see that the car body is parallel to the space, okay, then let's go back in the positive direction and reverse straight to the back. This is how we can park smoothly